Welcome to our comparison of the Sperax Treadmill and the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill. Today we're pitting these two home exercise solutions against each other based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's find out which treadmill might be the right fit for your home workout needs. In terms of price, the Sperax Treadmill is positioned as a more premium option at $499, suggesting a higher initial investment for its innovative design and features. The Cursor Fitness Treadmill, priced at $299, offers a more budget-friendly option without compromising much on functionality, making it appealing for those looking for value. Feature-wise, the Sperax Treadmill impresses with its 2-in-1 folding design and quiet operation, making it a versatile and discreet home workout option. The Cursor Fitness Treadmill counters with its quiet, brushless motor and ease of assembly, emphasizing convenience and minimal disruption. For comfort and convenience, the Sperax offers a wide non-slip belt and easy storage, catering to users seeking a comfortable and space-efficient workout solution. Cursor Fitness provides a spacious running area and easy assembly, focusing on user comfort and simplicity. When it comes to customer care and warranty, Cursor Fitness stands out with its 5-year warranty, showcasing a commitment to customer satisfaction and product reliability. Sperax, while offering innovative design, does not highlight warranty information as prominently, leaving some questions about long-term support. Reviewers of the Sperax Treadmill praise its quiet operation, compact design, and the convenience of its folding feature, making it a favorite for those in smaller living spaces. On the other hand, the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill is lauded for its ease of assembly, compact size, and smooth operation, making it a solid choice for home use, especially for beginners or those with limited space. That wraps up our comparison of the Sperax Treadmill and the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill. Which one do you think suits your home workout needs better? Let us know by liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment below about your preference and why. Remember, the links to both products are in the description. Make your choice and start your journey to a healthier lifestyle today.